today we have another TOT. And our TOT for today is going to be a cupcake slash dessert stand slash whatever you want it to be. But today is going to be a dessert stand. And it's going to be Easter themed because Easter is Sunday. So we are going to be decorating some eggs to go around our stand. Alright, so let's get into the materials. So, first things first, we got this glassware from the Goodwill for 99 cents. And then I got these plates. Well, this is a bowl. But I got this stuff as well from Goodwill. All 99 cents. Bonus. And then, of course, you're going to need eggs. So I got these eggs from Walmart for 88 cents. Again, why would you go to the Dollar Tree to pay $1 when you can get these from Walmart for 88 cents? Okay, then to decorate, jute cord, chicken wire. I love this stuff. I use it all the time, obviously. And then we're going to decoupage some eggs. So we're going to be using some of the words and stuff off of here. Tomatoes. And we are going to be using spray paint. Remember this? We're using the same can. And then we're going to be using chalk paints. I like to use chalk paints because it dries a little bit faster than your average paint. But I do also have an acrylic paint. And, of course, your paint brushes and Mod Podge. So, and E6000 glue. Okay, so I just want to tell you guys that this was all $7. So when I do this whole thing, it's going to be just $7. $7! But that's because I already have all my other craft supplies. So if you didn't have those craft supplies, you would have to go buy them. And it would be, oh my God. Oh Lord. When they start to grab on things, it's terrible. Because she literally was about to just, that would have just all tumbled on the ground. And I would have had to go buy me some more glass and plates and stuff. Yeah, so, oh boy. She just won't let me be great. So, yeah, OMG. That was about to be a real disaster. But anyways, yeah, so if you have all the craft materials, $7. Alright, let's get started. I feel like I'm in the Great Gatsby with this. Alright, enough. But seriously, I really do. Okay, so these are going to be our bottoms. And we are going to fit it in the bottom like this. And it fits perfectly. Like literally in the center of this. It fits perfect. But this is going to be our base. So, enough of me talking. Let's do it. guys, so that is the end of this TOT for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, we made a really cute dessert stands. They don't have to be dessert stands, though. They can be like whatever you want it to be. It can be like a centerpiece, it can be a jewelry stand, or whatever you want it to be, it can be. As you saw, you do not have to go to the Dollar Tree to get your stuff. You can go to a Goodwill like I did, or you can go to any of your local thrift stores. They always have like glassware, plates, you name it, they got it. So go get it. Also, we made really cute Easter eggs, so that's something that you guys can do for maybe next year. And as always, if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well, so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!